Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. So today I'm so excited. I just got the GoPro 9 and I wanted to unbox it with you guys, so let's go. Now I ordered the GoPro 9 bundle, which has a discount. Now, here we have the Daytripper Backpack, GoPro, Daytripper Backpack. Then we have the GoPro 9 covered in the GoPro case. Here we have Hero non-dual battery charger with extra spare battery. Because now be mindful that the new batteries for the GoPro 9 is not compatible with the GoPro 7 or GoPro 8. So these are more thicker and they are more bigger. That's why you need this extra dual charger. Now let's see what's inside. So this is the GoPro case. This is the GoPro case. Let me bring the camera closer. Now let's see what do we have inside here. So I think with this bundle, GoPro get rid of the case, the hard case. This is the case, for example, for the GoPro 8 for the bundle, and as they are giving this case like for free, so they get rid of this hard case and they are just giving you the GoPro in its own case. Now this is the hand grip, the GoPro hand grip, very firm in hand. Okay, so this is the grip, and this is the magnetic swivel clip. I hope you can see it clear, and you can turn this 360 based on your angle. Okay. It's magnetic. And we got two batteries with it. There are two batteries. These are the old batteries. To compare, this is the battery for GoPro 8 and this is the battery for GoPro 9. You can see close. It's a little bit higher, more wider, and more thicker. And this is GoPro 9. You have here the front view, the lens. Now the lens is it's detachable. You can detach this lens and mount the Max lens. Okay, and the screen is more wider. If you have, in comparison with GoPro 8, see with the GoPro 8 is a little bit a little bit bigger. See? Also in the thickness, a little bit thicker. You can see. Now I have here the GoPro 8 with me, because actually the reason I ordered this new GoPro is I always wanted to have two GoPros, so when I go somewhere I can shoot from different angles. I can hand one camera to a friend or to somebody else, and we'll have more shots from different angles. Now, here you have the front microphone. Down here you have the speakers. You have two speakers, and the two finger clips, it's mounted in the same as for the GoPro 8. And this one here, this door here, it's not for opening. This is to get the water out from the micro when you are shooting in the water. So do not try to open this door because it's undetachable and you can damage the GoPro. This is just for the water to go out. Okay, this is the mode. You can change between different modes. Also, you can open and close the GoPro here. And this is the shutter button. And then under the door you can mount the battery, and you can put the SD card in the same place as the GoPro 8. When you are pulling this to open the door, it automatically go back in, unlike in the GoPro 8, you can simply detach it and leave it open, and then you can open. You can also totally detach the door. For the GoPro 9, when you try to detach to open it, it automatically go back in, so you need to be quick. And you can detach the door gently. Do not apply force, otherwise you could break this door. And then the same thing, put it back and put it back in. So now let me put a battery in. So this is the battery, the SD card. So I'm gonna put it in the camera. Okay. And there you go. Now let's go together through the settings. So let's choose English. By using the GoPro, I agree to the terms of use available at GoPro Legal. Agree. Turn on tag your footage with location, speed, altitude, and more. I would say yes. Install GoPro app on your phone. To finish the setup, leave your camera on and follow the app instruction. So I have my phone here with me. So I'm gonna just go ahead and open the GoPro app. Now I'm searching. We found your GoPro, connect camera. Now the camera is connected. What else do we have? Few accessories for the GoPro. The sticker, 2 screws. And this is the USB cable. Now these are the GoPro stickers. With this bundle it comes with a 1-year subscription to GoPro for the cloud storage. So I have unlimited cloud storage on for my GoPro footage on GoPro. And plus, when you have the subscription to GoPro, you have automatically a very good discounts like 50% or 40 up to 50% of mount accessories and lifestyle gears. Also, you can have up to $100 of your next GoPro purchase. And if something happened to your camera, you can simply ask for a replacement. There will be no questions asked. You simply ship them your camera and they will send you a brand new camera if something happened to your camera. So this is regarding the subscription and the benefit. This is the manual. I think we don't need the manual that much. Now this is everything regarding the case. It's really nice hard case. So the dual battery charger plus 1 spare battery. Okay, so let's open it. Again, you have the USB-C cable. You have the extra battery for the GoPro 9. Paper. Manual. And you have the charger. It's not very big as the other one. It doesn't cover the whole batteries. You see the difference? Oops. As you can see, this is for the GoPro 8, 7, and this is for the GoPro 9. You can see the difference. The same USB-C. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button below. Also leave a comment. Until next video, stay tuned and thank you for watching.